The place is full of ancient forts and structures which have now been reclaimed by the forest. Lush green vegetation dominated by the kardai, khair, and salai trees, an amazing world having rich diversity and very high density of winged creatures, freely roaming ungulates and carnivores, and in the midst of all. Once upon a time, the fastest land animal, the cheetah, roamed freely across the vast grasslands of India. But by 1952, this majestic creature was declared extinct in the country due to hunting and habitat loss. Now, after 70 long years, India is rewriting history. This is the story of the incredible effort to reintroduce cheetahs to their rightful home. The Asiatic cheetah once thrived in India's wilderness, but overhunting, shrinking habitats, and loss of prey drove them to extinction. Despite being a symbol of speed and elegance, these cats couldn't outrun the threats posed by humans. Since India's own cheetahs were extinct, attention turned to their African cousins. Namibia and South Africa agreed to send cheetahs as part of a historic transcontinental wildlife relocation project. A total of 20 cheetahs were carefully selected for their journey to India. Relocating wild cheetahs across continents is no small feat. These cats underwent rigorous health checks and acclimatization programs before boarding a flight to India. The journey, spanning thousands of kilometers, was both delicate and groundbreaking. In Madhya Pradesh's Kuno National Park, preparations were in full swing. Vast enclosures were set up, prey populations were boosted, and local communities were sensitized. Finally, in September 2022, the first group of cheetahs set foot on Indian soil. It was a moment of pride and celebration. For the first time in 7 decades, cheetahs graced India's wilderness once again. Since their arrival, the cheetahs have been carefully monitored. In 2023, the program celebrated a major milestone with the birth of 4 cubs, a symbol of hope and renewal. Advanced GPS tracking systems have been deployed to study their movements and ensure their safety. Additionally, local prey populations continue to grow, creating a thriving ecosystem. While some challenges persist, such as human-wildlife conflict and ensuring genetic diversity, the progress so far has been encouraging. Conservationists are optimistic about expanding the program to other suitable habitats across the country. The reintroduction of cheetahs is more than a scientific achievement. It's a call for collective action. Protecting these big cats is a shared responsibility that involves local communities, policymakers,